Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to hide Facebook posts from anyone you want or from any specific people you want, a simple way from your phone settings. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before the video and explanation, then click on your profile icon, then go down, you will find the settings and privacy. Click on it. After that, you will find above here, you will find the settings. Click on it, then go down, you will find the word posts. Click on posts. After that, here you will find the public. You will find who can see my posts. Click on it and specify whether you want to see a post that is sufficient for you for the public, or for friends on a line, or for specific people only, or for people except for specific people only. You select the option you want, then click on Save, and here you have been able to solve the problem. Canada is the topic of today's video. For any inquiries, any problems or any suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video.